Did you finally find something? No, Alpha. I didn't find anything. You've been no help to this pack. I feel like I need to kick you out. But why? This is a small pack. Yeah, Midnight. This is a small pack. Why are we kicking him out? It's for the best. We need to find new people with better senses. Now leave. Yes, sir. Midnight. It was for the best.
Spice.
What?
Do you want to maybe want to go and maybe sneak out at night?
Yeah.
What were you guys talking about?
Nothing.
We were just talking about how our moms are so great.
I don't have a mom, remember?
Well, I mean parents.
I don't have any parents.
Oh my.
The closest thing I have to a mom is your mommy. She takes care of us.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Didn't you already know that? Whatever. But yeah. I don't know why she randomly said that. We were just talking about and we're wondering where Nico is going.
What do you mean? Wait.
Look, Nico's walking away.
Wait, what? Why is he leaving?
You need to go talk to the Alpha.
Okay, I'll go and talk to Midnight.
Come on. What is it?
Where's Nico going?
He is not a part of this pack anymore.
Wait, what?
Yeah, he thought that it would be a good idea to throw Nico out because he wasn't finding any food. There's plenty of food around here, and he didn't even catch any of it. Either he couldn't find any, which means he's bad at sensing, or he doesn't even know how to hunt. But we're a small pack. I don't care. Yeah. None of us want him to leave besides Midnight.
I have an idea.
I'm not the only one that likes this. Yeah. I'm gonna go over here
Can you come here?
and look around.
Can you come here for a second?
Sure.
Now, can I tell you what?
Alpha! Well, we have two alphas, but you're not the main alpha, but second alpha! What are you doing over here? What's going on? Why is Nico leaving? Well, Midnight unfortunately wanted to kick him out of the pack because he wasn't finding anything. He said either his senses are bad or he's bad at hunting. That can't be right! No, I didn't really agree, but he did anyway.
Now, can I tell you what I wanted to tell you?
Yeah.
What if the kids grow up and I kicks them out of the pack?
Well, then they might have to make their own pack. But Nico isn't the person that would really want to do that. So he's probably going to be a loner for a while at least before he's taken into any pack.
Yeah, you are right.
So that means Nico is not going to be here anymore? Unfortunately.
I wish he could come back.
Yeah, he always plays with us. It's okay.
It's getting windy out here. For real.
Yeah, it's super windy.
Why is there like a ginormous tree?
I don't know, but it's giving us plenty of shade at least.
Yeah.
Because it's been really bright today. Because over there is super bright. I'm glad the big tree blocks all of it. It literally like blocks until the end of this field. I know, it's a big field. And this field is like ginormous. It's like 10 feet. Yeah, the grasslands is super big. But at least there's like a ton of deers and stuff, but deer are super hard to find because they always hide for some reason, because they're super good at like hiding from us. So kids, what do you want to maybe go into the sunlight and maybe like try to play? Yeah, but that's gonna take forever. It's okay, guys, I'll come with you. Midnight wants to be alone right now anyway. But what if we lose the whole pack? What if we... It doesn't matter. It's just a midnight. He's crazy anyway. Come on. When we get there, all he is to me is my brother. Now come on. Wait for me! I'm the only one being left behind. Don't you even say wait for me. I can't see. It's not my fault that the grass is so tall here. Yeah. Can you at least do something about it? Like what? Carry me. I'm not carrying you. Pretty please. Wait, can we go play by ourselves, please? I promise nothing bad will happen. We still have to be able to see you, even if you're a little speck. We'll be right over there. But okay. If I see a giant... I actually like the shade better. Come on! To follow those pups to make sure nothing bad happens to them. These pretty flowers. This is one of my family members would name this. But my name is Sunflower. Yeah, sunflowers are also super pretty. I've heard about them. My bigger sister's name is Dandelion. And dandelions smell good. Oh no, these flowers are dying. Who's your big sister? Her name is Dandelion, like these flowers. Where is she at? My mom said she had to go alone. Wait, I see something. What? Oh, that's huge. Let's not try to poke anyone with this. Yeah, let's go put it back, actually. I'll go and put it back. Okay. Why is it so hard to go? I don't like this. Okay. You guys are so fun. I'm so glad we came back over here to the shade. Why do I smell something? It's nothing. But does it smell dangerous? Yep, this smells like a little rabbit. Why do I feel something is off? I sense something. What was that? I don't know. I'm scared. Let's get together. I'm gonna yell. Yell. Look beside me. What? You're slow. I can't run anymore. Too bad. Sunflower. Nico. Get away from her. Thank you, Nico. Get off of me. I'm scared. I want to hide in here. Sunflower, run. I need to go tell my mom. Spice, come on, hurry. I'm trying. Hey, you! Don't you dare even go near that pup. Oh, Nico's being attacked! Come on, there's no time! I'm coming! What? Damn. Get off of him! Yeah, you get off of him! Where did you come from? You take him on. I believe him. You don't have to make weird noises. Can't do that either. Let me go. Ugh.
Finally, we got. Nico, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Nico!
I saw the pups were going somewhere and I wanted to watch them and make sure nothing bad happened. And this turned out happening. Yeah, he saved us! Nico!
Yay!
We're not gonna live with Midnight anymore. I am the first alpha. And he's not gonna tell me what to do.
Don't tell
Like my brother.
Don't tell your brother this, or Midnight. You are a way better alpha than him. I think he's over there.
It's not fair. All he wants is his choice.
He doesn't care about other people.
Yeah, he doesn't care about other people's opinions. This is perfect. Welcome back, Nico. Thank you.
Yay! I got you.
Yeah, we're gonna get you. Get off of me.
I got you.
We're gonna get revenge. I don't want my hair shot.
It's going down.
That.
It would be good if it showed her this standing there when she was about to.
Yeah, she walks over right there. And then they turn around. Yeah. Yes, sir. Ah! I was trying to ignore it, but it literally landed on my hand. Brr.
This would be cute to go around her neck.
Ew. Did I kill it? Wait, what happened?
You killed
There's
it?
a black mark. It's dirty. Whatever. Like I was saying.